be showing you how to easily make a face mask without sewing and the way you can make a face mask with
hand sewing. You can sew, you don't have to.
Yeah, and there's... Yeah, so let's just go ahead and get right on into it.
Yeah.
Okay, so what you will need is a piece of fabric. This is half of a little bandana cloth that I had, and it might be a little big for me, as you see. But that's okay, because you can always cut it in half and stuff, so that's good. And then you'll need 2 rubber bands, elastic bands,
hair ties.
You can use those rubber bands that you put around the bags and stuff, but that might, hurt you, so... Okay, so the first step is you're going to put your elastics down. You are going to lay this on the arm.
Well, if you have a table, you could use that too.
I'm going to pick up, it is folded in half. Yeah, I don't have a table, so this is kind of hard. So we're just do that. And then I'm going to fold up a quarter of the way there, and then fold up half of the way there. And then I'm going to do that with the other side. I'm going to do that easily with the other side. Flippity. Okay, then I have this. So you probably do want to do this on the table so you don't mess up your foldings. So I'm going to do that over here. And you see, I'm going to take this rubber band, I'm going to put it over here, and then I'll show you what it looks like after. Actually, I can do the first one right here, and maybe even the second one. Yeah. So then I'll pick this up, I'll put it around my fingers, all my fingers, and then I will put it over here, through here, and then that part is done. This part is probably the hardest part, so I'm going to do it up here. You see, I have this. I'm going to, well, I really need a table, so I'm going to put this over.
Wait, I know I can make you a table.
Under.
I want to make you a table.
Okay. And through. Oh, okay, so I have this table now, and you see, this is much easier now. Since I have a small face, I'm just going to put it up here. I'm going to slip this all the way on through. It's going to make a little bit of a bump. You can sew this, which I will be showing you how. And then, see, that's done. It's staying insecure because I have a lot of fabric here. That's a plus side to having a lot of fabric. It stays secure better. And it also covers your face better. Yes, it does. Same thing with the other one. I like to do a little twist and do it, but you don't have to if you don't want to. And just if you want for safe measures, you can go ahead and put a few stitches in right here, put a few stitches into right here, and then close this up and put stitches into here. And how you would do that is, you know how to do this one, these ones, and then, so how you would do this one is, you would fold them inside so the edges aren't showing, and then you would clip it together like this so the edges aren't showing, and then, that would be it.
Oopsies. That was not my booty.
And then, you have your face.
It was not my booty.
And then, over here, and it's perfectly on. That was easy, it's a little big, but, take this extra safe precautionary measure. These doors are upside down, but whatever. They're stepping on my eyes. No gravity zone land, and Well, that's number 1, and
be safe, kids.
I will show you
And
number 2. We can also talk about Corona.
Be safe, kids.
Corona is being naughty.
Yeah, don't break up
So,
your mouth.
okay, the second one are these face masks. Mine is definitely smaller than hers because I have a smaller face. So, you see these? I'm not gonna do it step by step because this one takes a little more time and a little more effort, and we need more of a table.
And plus mine just broke earlier, so yeah, I just fixed it.
Okay, so you see, we still have hair ties at the end because we don't want to waste the elastic yet.
Yeah, so
And we have lots of hair ties, but if you want to use elastic, you are more than welcome to. You just have to make a little hair tie with that, and then you hide the knot in here. But it's pretty simple how we did it. We just had one piece of fabric.
it's like about 4.5 by 8. If you have a bigger head, then you could add like another inch to it.
Okay, and then what you would do is you would just fold in half, but you would have it inside out. You would fold in half. You would sew through, but not the edges. You want to keep the edges open.
Basically, you want to make it like
and then
a burrito.
An inside out burrito, and then you take it and you switch it, and then you can't see your stitchings because you did it inside out. And then so you're gonna stick your hair tie in one end,
and then you're gonna sew it on.
So that's shut, and then you're gonna do the other end like that, and then you have your good face mask.
Yeah.
See, these ones, they're definitely higher quality. You have a good chance of them not falling apart in public, which is really good.
I only came
and really secure.
Yeah. That covers my whole face.
Pro tip with face masks, you gotta change them every hour or else they will stop working.
Okay, I guess so. Yeah.
And make sure you stay safe, stay inside most of the time, social distance. We don't want to get the corona.
Yeah, and adults don't drink that beer. It's gonna be the coronavirus.
Don't you need orange juice?
No. No, orange juice comes in big bottles.
Okay. That's basically the end of the video.
Because we're not doing an extra fancy one.
Make sure you wash your hands for 20 seconds at least, and make sure you're showering regularly. Keep your healthy habits. Eat good foods. Do good exercise inside of your house. Find different ways to entertain yourself. Try something new. Try something that you have done before and it's fun.
Drink toilet water. Probably don't do that. Don't do that.
No, don't drink toilet water, but you should wash your hands after you go to the toilet. And
also, these might have been.
I'll leave you to the outro.
These might have been a little similar to the ones that we saw on another YouTube video. That's because we watched that and now we know how to make these. And now you know how to make these too. So, yeah. Like, subscribe, notification bell, dingy, dingy, dingy. So, now, Livy, get over here. Now, get in the back. Now, you're going to click on Livy's face to subscribe to our channel. And you're going to click there to watch the last video we posted. And click here to watch a video that YouTube has selected for you. Anyways, bye-bye, humans. Stay safe. Don't drink toilet water.
Bye-bye.